So dear student, it's time for the solve all or question which I have given yesterday. Our first question, which of the following are matter? यानी इसमें से कौन कौन सी थिंग्स जो हैं वो मैटर हैं. Like first is a chair. So as we know that the matter is which occupy space and have a mass. So chair is a matter, right? Chair is a matter. Second, air is a matter. Love, smell, head is not a matter because we can feel this only. Love, smell, head, we can feel this only. This is not occupy space and have a mass. Elements is a matter. Thought is not a matter. Cold is a not a matter. Cold drink is a matter. Smell of perfume is not a matter, right? Our second question is, give reason for the following observation. The smell of hot sizzling food reaches you several meters away, but to get the smell from cold food you have to go close. स्टूडेंट्स, क्वेश्चन आपसे ये जानना चाह रहा है कि हमें गर्म फूड की स्मेल जो है बहुत दूर तक आ जाती है, बट कोल्ड फूड के स्मेल हमें नहीं आती है, हमें उनके पास जाना पड़ता है. तो लास्ट प्रीवियस सेशन में हमने ये पढ़ा कि काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ पार्टिकल्स की टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज होने पे पार्टिकल्स की काइनेटिक एनर्जी इंक्रीज होती है. इसीलिए हॉट सिजलिंग फूड की स्मेल हमें बहुत दूर तक आती है, राइट? एवरीवन अंडरस्टैंड दैट द काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ पार्टिकल्स दीज आर द पार्टिकल्स एंड काइनेटिक एनर्जी इंक्रीजिंग व्हेन टेम्परेचर increasing, right? So the answer is solid diffuse at very slow rate, but if the temperature of the solid is increased, the rate of diffusion of the solid particle into air increase. This is due to an increase the kinetic energy of particle. The smell of hot sizzling food reaches us even at a distance. The meaning of the kinetic energy of particle means motion of the particle, and this is the increasing when temperature is increasing, right? Third question, a diver is able to cut through water in a swimming pool. Which property of matter does this observation show? मीन्स जब डाइवर वो जो एबल स्विमिंग कर रहा है वाटर में, तो वो अपने उस वाटर को कट करके आगे बढ़ने में कैसे एबल हो रहा है? कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी है मैटर की जो उसे एबल बना रहा है आगे बढ़ने के लिए? सो I hope you remember the properties of matter. The particles have space between them. The particles of matter space between them. Due this property, the diver is able to cut through the water. So the answer, this observation show that the particle of matter have intermolecular space. This is the intermolecular space. The intermolecular spaces in liquid of is fair enough to let the diver pass through it, right? Next question, what are the characteristic of particle of matter? मीन्स क्या क्या characteristic हैं particle of matter के, as we discuss in early session. The characteristics of particle of matter are, particles of matter have space between them, particles of matter are continuously moving, and particles of matter attract to each other, right?